Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to create data entry form in Excel. So for creation of data entry form, we need to enable a table over here. So I am enabling my table. So for that, first select your range. Now press Ctrl L. Now create table, yes. So if your data has header, so I would recommend you choose this. My table has header, click on it, click OK. Now choose different design. Sorry, this looked good. So before entering data through data entry form, I am making some settings. I am restricting my date from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. For that we need to go on data, then on data validation. So I am restricted my date to dates 1st April 2018, now 31st March 2019. Now I can enter only dates between these two dates. Okay, now we are going to make our data entry form in Excel. So for that we need to right click on it. You may right click on any tab. So customize quick access toolbar. Now sorry, you need to go on customize ribbon. So here we have new tab, yes. I'm going to rename it data entry, click OK. Now in the command not in ribbon tab, we are going to search form. Here it is. Now click here, now click here, add, now click OK. Now see, we have data entry tab over here. Now in the new group we have form. So just select your data form. Now my data entry form has ready. I will show you some more advanced criteria over it. So let me enter some entries. So I am entering my name here, amount I have deposited 5,000 in HDFC Bank. Okay, see, this is fastest than Excel. So I can shoe amount 10,000, bank name is IDBI. So date again 1st July 2018. Sorry, name is Rahul Sharma, amount 6,000, SBI. Okay, 3 entries enough for you. Click new. Yes, 3 entry I have enabled it. Now what is the advantage of that? Let me show you. Suppose I'm going to delete this entry. In Excel, what you need to do, just select this range and delete this. So in data entry form this is quite easy. Just search any tab, now click on delete. Display record will delete it permanently, yes. Okay, see, you don't need to select any column, any row. So this is the data entry form, and you may enter data through data entry form also. So keep enjoying and keep learning.